Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss about browser object model, friends. In the earlier class we had discussed the document object model. Like that, in this class we will discuss BOM, that is browser object model. Okay, document object model consists of a web page. It's treated as a document, HTML document, in which in itself contains all the HTML elements, which in turn all the HTML elements are treated as objects, right? That is the concept of DOM, document object model, right? And when coming to browser object model, so what it tells is it will it will it will refer to the browser which we are using. Okay, so that browser itself, it will be treated as object, friends. Okay, so let us read some theory part. The browser object model allows JavaScript to interact with the browser. Okay, very clear. The BOM allows JavaScript to interact with the browser. In the DOM concept, what it does, the DOM allows JavaScript to manipulate the HTML elements inside the HTML document, right? So like that, similarly, BOM, that means browser object model, allows JavaScript to interact with the browser, that is our physical browser. Okay, so it treats that browser, that is a window browser, what how it appears, a window type browser will be coming in front of us. No, that window will be treated as an object, friends. So the window object is supported by all browsers. It represents the browser's window. Okay, what is window object? It's a simple but nothing but browser's window. And all global JavaScript objects, functions, and variables automatically become members of the window object. So that means whatever objects, JavaScript objects, functions, and variables, so automatically becomes the window object, friends. And then the global variables are properties of the window object, and the global functions are methods of window object. So functions are methods of the window object and variables are properties of windows object. And even the document object of the HTML DOM is a property of window object. You please observe here, even our document object, which consists of all the HTML elements, the body tags, head tags, so many HTML tags will be there, no, inside the document object. So this document objects itself is a part of a window object, friends. Okay, that means a window is a container of document. Okay, so in turn this document contains the HTML elements. Okay, so you can actually write the code like this also, window dot document dot get element by id. So this is the lowest hierarchy element by id. So that element is existed in document, and in which document is in itself existed in that browser window. So normally we will exclude this window dot, okay, because it's an implied thing. Okay, so that's why in many coding parts we had excluded this window. Okay, so we can write like this also, or simply like this, document dot get element by id, like this also. Okay, as a whole, window is a whole and highest level object in which the document consists, and in that document all the HTML elements will be existed. Okay, that is the browser object model, friends. Okay, so it's an window object. Window object is nothing but the browser's window. Okay, that part you please remember. In the next class we will see some practical examples, friends. So this is the browser object model introduction. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening, friends.